All right, well, we're gonna jump right into this. Ain't no point of delaying. We're gonna get right to business. Here you guys go with the Tomb45 upgrade kit. You got the motor upgrade and the battery upgrade. It's supposed to extend your battery life and should make your motor a lot stronger. Yes, sir. We're gonna rip that open. You guys can see from the jump. It comes with extra screws. Here goes your motor replacement. And here goes your battery replacement. Yes, sir. Bust that open. Take that out. And here you guys go. Easy day. Right here, as you can see those letters right there, BU, blue, GN, green, and then underneath there's another one that is for yellow. We're gonna switch it to green just to match the body. And then we're gonna get to work. All right, first thing, get your flathead. We're gonna pop that Babyliss badge right on up out of there. Be careful if you got some paint because it will scratch and chip. Then we're gonna switch down to the bottom. You got 3 screws down there. Underneath the badge, you have 2 screws right there. And easy work, we're gonna start unscrewing things. Yes, sir. Take those 2 screws out, set them somewhere that you don't lose them. Work towards the bottom. We're gonna start loosening those screws as well. Take those out. Set them somewhere so you do not lose them. But luckily the pack comes with extra screws just in case you do. So as you saw earlier when I unboxed them, there are extra screws in there. We're gonna pop off the bottom and slide off the grip. And at the bottom, we have 2 screws there. We're gonna take those off as well. Easy day. Unscrew. Yes, sir. Set those somewhere so you do not lose them. And then it should snap right on off just like that. Now you have exposed your battery and your motor. Here goes the battery. Looks just like the Tomb45 battery, just a different color. Here we go, we're gonna take that out. You have 2 connections. You have 2 connectors. There goes one right there. You may need a flathead to pop it out. And just like that, be careful. Pop that one right out of there. And easy day, we have freed the battery. Yes, sir. Now we have 4 screws on the motor, 2 right there, and 2 up there. There you go. We're going to loosen both of those, unscrew. Yes, sir. All this stuff is very, very simple. Real easy. I believe that if you are trying to get the most, get the best out of your clipper, which is crazy because the premium price that we are spending for these things should come absolutely souped up. But sometimes you need that little extra oomph to make a difference. So appreciate y'all Tomb45 for allowing something like this to be able to make my clipper an absolute juggernaut. At least that's the goal. Yes, sir. Now we got those screws out of there. Pop the motor out just like that. We are gonna need that metal bracket. So take that off, set it to the side, and it's plug and play. We're just gonna swap. So put the motor back. Put the Tomb45 motor exactly where the original motor came out, and we are going to do everything in reverse. So we are going to replace all the screws in the exact same spot. Me, I placed all my screws in different areas to know exactly what part of the removal I was at, and I'm just gonna put those back exactly how I took them off. So yes, sir, we're gonna put that bracket back on there just like I said earlier. And we're gonna screw all 4 of these screws right back in. Easy day. The motor is gonna go right in there. It's the exact same size, the exact same shape, plug and play. All the screws go exactly where they're supposed to go. And it's really just that simple. Yes, sir. Now that we have those, we're gonna plug the battery in. The one on top goes on the one on top. Yes, sir. Plug that right on in there. It just fits like a glove. Everything's a puzzle piece. The one on bottom goes on the one on bottom. Easy day. Make sure the battery's facing flat. Push that on in there. Tuck the wires in, real nice and neat. When you're doing this, I would advise not to speed or rush through it. Make sure everything just fits exactly how it's supposed to. Tuck everything nice and simple. That way you don't have to unscrew it again later on. But here we go right here. I'm gonna test. Yes, sir, easy day. I would definitely recommend to test it before you start screwing all these screws back on top. Because it would be the worst. You put all these screws back on, put everything back how you're supposed to, and then you flip the switch and it's not working. So if you didn't get anything from this, make sure that you test it before you throw the screws back on there. Save you some time. But again, we're just putting everything back exactly how we took it off. Put the screws in there, throw the grip on there, plug the bottom in, throw those screws back on, screw those all back in, and it should be self-explanatory from this point on. Should be real easy work. It's a short, simple video, right to the point. For any of those that are looking to upgrade, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you got one. Let me know if you're thinking about getting one. I don't care what you let me know. Just let me know. Screw the top back in. Yes, sir. And then the last step, punch the badge right back where it went. Easy day. Beautiful. Like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you got to do to keep me on your timeline, man. Absolute powerhouse. Sheesh. We out. Peace.